Hello there.
How to transfer position or your portfolio from Degiro to another brokerage account. It is possible if you were wondering. There are two methods, selling your position and transferring the funds, but you can also transfer those position or your portfolio through an automatic transfer, allowing you to avoid capital gain taxes or selling at a certain price and buying back at a higher one. The first step is to fill in the outgoing transfer form. On this, you have to indicate your product's name, your license, the quantity you want to transfer, and its exchange. If you have more than 24 positions to transfer, you need to fill in this paper twice. Then you put in the total amount that is being transferred, your Degiro account's information, and the receiving account's information. Then date it and sign it. Once this is done, you have to send it to Degiro via the following email address: client@degiro.co.uk, or the correct one for your country, with certain information such as a specific subject, proof of your account ownership with the other bank. A screenshot will suffice. The transfer process might take some time, so do not expect it to happen overnight. And please bear in mind that this is not a free process, and therefore do read the fee schedule document to know exactly how much this will cost you. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe.